Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Boom Beach application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, go to the circle icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and here click to the settings icon. Here you can find many options, and go to the language under the name option and click to the English button, and you can select another language, for example Indonesia, Italiano or others, and if you want to select that, just select and click that, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.